everyone, and in today's video, I'm going to answer the question, does Walmart take Affirm? And the answer is yes, Walmart does take Affirm. You can use Affirm to pay for eligible purchases on walmart.com, in the Walmart app, and at self-checkout kiosks in over 4,500 Walmart stores in the United States. Now here's how to do it online, using walmart.com or the Walmart app. What you do is you shop at Walmart and add eligible items to your cart on walmart.com or in the Walmart app. When you're ready to pay, choose Affirm as a payment method during the checkout process. You'll be guided through Affirm's application process. You will need to enter a few pieces of information, and Affirm will provide a real-time decision on your loan application. If approved, you can select a payment plan that works best for you, typically offering options for monthly installments or interest-free payment depending on the purchase amount and promotional offers. Once you've selected your plan, confirm your purchase in store at self-checkout kiosks. You can apply with Affirm before shopping. This is optional but recommended. You can visit affirm.com or Walmart or use the Affirm app to pre-qualify and get an idea of your spending limits before you shop. If you want to shop in store, you need to gather your eligible items in the Walmart store. Go to a self-checkout kiosk when you are ready to pay. Follow the prompts on the self-checkout screen to choose Affirm as a payment method. You will likely need to present a barcode from the Affirm app to the scanner and the kiosk to complete the transaction It is important for you to consider eligibility. You see, Affirm financing is available on eligible purchases. Certain categories of items such as groceries, alcohol, tobacco, and gift cards may not be eligible. The list of items may be subject to change. Also consider your loan terms. Payment options and interest rates vary depending on your purchase amount, creditworthiness, and promotional offer. You will see the total cost upfront before agreeing to a loan. Affirm says that they do not charge late fees, hidden fees, or compounding interest. You will need to have or create an Affirm account to use this payment method. It's always a good idea to check the latest information on both the Walmart and Affirm website for the most up-to-date details on using Affirm for your purchases. Hope you found this video helpful.